Hello, good morning. We are back with ACCA topic. Yes, I know many of you are dreaming to go Dubai, Singapore, or even London, isn't it? So, do you know that there is only one qualification which opens the door for you no matter where you are? That is ACCA. So, ACCA is found in UK. It's recognized, as I always tell, more than 180 countries, and it's got more than nearly quarter million members all over the world, and around half a million students. So it's not something, it's a very big organization. So it's very much reputed in Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia, Asia Pacific, even I think in North America, it's very famous. And many countries is treating ACCA membership equivalent to their local qualification. What does it mean? The moment you are having an ACCA membership, you can go to the country wherever you are and see their professional qualification. They will allow you to convert or they will upgrade ACCA based on the ACCA membership. You will get the membership of the country wherever they are okay with that. But now I heard many countries they want you to write one or two papers to get to their professional qualification membership. But there are many places there you can, especially in Botswana, I know. So the moment I got my ACCA, I went to the Botswana Institute of Accountants. They just gave me the membership, and I need to give them every year the membership fees because they automatically recognize and take it as equivalent to their qualification. So, for example, and many countries, okay, the rules keep changing, so you need to check. And even the global companies like PwC, then what, Deloitte, Ernst and Young, and major MNCs very actively hiring ACCA because we are doing IFRS, and of course, it is allowing you have to have the flexibility, like you can study somewhere, write the exam somewhere, anywhere in the world. Like a student from Kochi can complete ACCA working in Dubai. Maybe you registered and doing some online with some good institutes, or you are doing yourself. You can write your qualification at Dubai by choosing the examination center, but it's all with the same qualification. And another important thing is future ready curriculum if of ACC is very unique, meaning the syllabus is designed around global business standards and IFRS. That means it includes like taxation, audit, strategy in business leadership, and of course financial management. So this is what all over the globe we need it. And another important thing, they keep upgrading frequently to include the latest technology changes, data analytics, and sustainability reporting, etc. As you all know, ACC is going to have a revision or upgrading the syllabus from 2026 mostly. So they are including more of data analytic, and even you will not be surprised if they are introducing some key syllabus area of AI, etc. So this is something very unique about the ACCA curriculum, and of course they are focusing very much on the ethics and professionalism, and so that they are preparing the students for international work environments. International work environments is too much depending on the ethics and professionalism. So if you fail in that, it's very difficult for you to survive in the working environment in a global or international level. That is why they are making you to write from the skill level and professional level. There is professional marks for each paper. That means how professionally you are presenting it. That is language and the technical words you are using. That shows your professionalism in dealing with the reporting, etc. And it can be accessible. Flexibility and accessibility is another very key important. Like I told you, exams are done every 4 months, four times a year, once in 3 months, four times a year, and you can choose how many papers you want to attempt each time. But remember, it's a professional exam. You really have to respect the professional exam and prepare accordingly. And the students can even start after the 12th grade or even graduation, wherever you feel comfortable. And you all know that it's all computer based exam, and you can appear from the approved centers, worldwide centers we have. So this flexibility is allowing the students to balance work, study, and personal life, something which is very, very rare in any other professional course. The challenge is to balance. How, if you don't balance well, don't blame ACCA curriculum that I am not qualifying. All right. So that is another important thing of the ACCA, and of course, it's a global career opportunities like big four firms, audit and assurance, and I can say multinationals and corporations like financial management, financial analysis, risk management, so all those area, banks and investment firms, and the consulting firms like advisories, mergers and acquisition, and banks will also look for the compliances, financial analysis, etc. And if you are looking for entrepreneurship, you can do ACCA consulting. You can do consulting for the startup, etc. So role include, the ACCA role include financial analyst. You can even have internal auditor. You can have a tax consultants, finance manager, CFO, uh, mergers and acquisition, specialization, management accounting, many posts they are considering ACCA. Like many CFOs of the global companies began their journey with ACCA. I am one of the live example. I started with ACCA and I came out as the finance director of a company. So I used to do all these things. So, unlike some local qualification, ACCA is globally transferable. You don't need to really worry about that. It's globally transferable because it's recognized by governments, universities, and professional bodies world over. So it's very easily recognizable with you. And you will be surprised, since we are in India. I just want to mention many Indian CAs now pursue ACCA to gain the global exposure, because there are restrictions with the Indian CA in certain countries. So they want to catch up with the globalization, because we are living in a globalized world. So we need to have the globalized qualification. And I always tell you, ACCA plus MBA is a perfect blend of professionalism and leadership skills. So, how you can make, most of you can make of ACCA journey, meaning you have to focus on the clarity and consistent effort. It's not like our post graduation exam or undergrad exam. You may fail one or two or three, people. I know many situations where people fail three, four times, seven times, etc. So you, that is because you lack something. So that means you need to have a clarity, and you have to put consistent effort. It will not work. I will study just last 2 weeks. It will not work out for the ACCA. And of course, ACCA study resources and practice papers, you have to give a lot of importance. You should develop a communication, presentation, and analytical skills. These are matters very, very important in a global environment. And you all know, once you are registered with ACCA, there are so many network of ACCA students and professionals worldwide, forms, groups, even through LinkedIn. I have even seen students of global students writing each paper, they have a group. So there are so many discussions regarding all these things happening, and I don't need to tell you about the WhatsApp group and etc. So ACCA is giving you a global recognition, flexible learning, and worldwide career opportunities. So the world is becoming borderless, isn't it? I don't need to say you. So your career should be borderless too. So if you want to have a borderless career growth, you should have a global qualification where there is no borders. And again, ACCA does not just, I always say, teach you accounting. It gives you the confidence to work anywhere in the world. If you dream global, ACCA is your ticket to board the flight. So you need to focus with clarity. Yes, it's a it is a global qualification, so it's going, you can think of the intensity. So that means it's need a lot of commitment, logical studying, proper planning, proper analysis, etc. Because when you are going to have a global opportunity, you need to really be ready, not only with the qualification, you, even your mindset, even your attitude, even your way of dealing with the people, networking and communication skills, etc., to a global level. So I know many people in India, or I can say Kerala, they all want to go and work outside. So if that is your intention, then the passport to the global career opportunities ACCA. So once you are having this qualification, which is recognized globally, you will able to go. So dear students, if you dream of a career that goes beyond borders and the qualification that earns global respect and professionalism that combines intellect and integrity, then ACCA is your path. So, education gives you your wing, but ACCA gives you the passport to fly all over the world. So, dream big, study hard, and let your ACCA journey take you wherever in the world you wish to go. Thank you so much. We'll come up with some other interesting topic of ACCA. Happy Diwali to you all. Bye bye.